This is video 222. It's about the actions note, vid, and URL. First we see a note action that says display note 3 in the blue box which is above the program screen. Here we'll go to the program screen. This is the program screen. Here is the blue box. Here are the lines from note 3. Alright, let's go back to the program. Those lines were entered by going to this brown box, clicking it, and here is note 3. This is where it was entered. This brown box is for the first 5 notes. This brown box is for the second 5 notes. If you have more than 10 notes, you can go to Info and click on Note, and it will show you that app pages can also contain notes. App page A, notes go 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And here are the offsets they would be in that app page. And here are the various starting note numbers for each one of the app pages A through K. Next we see it's setting control registers for tall, wide, and an XY position. Then it refers to showing 2 videos. First video's information is at page A plus 2816, and the next video is at page A 2850. Well, let's go to page A and see what's there. Well, here we see the first one, and it's a URL for a video MP4 type. But the next one, it points to this, which is a reference to YouTube. And you're to put a greater than sign in front of it so the program knows that this is a reference to YouTube. Well, let's go back to the program. Alright, this first one needed to be displayed, and the second one is a YouTube. Well, let's go to the program and see what happened. Well, here we see that XY position with it so tall and so wide, and the URL reference this MP4 video off the internet. The other was a YouTube reference, and here is how you play it. Relevant video. If you have a relevant video for your program, you give it the YouTube reference number, and this box will show up, and if you click on it, it will go to YouTube and display that reference video. Go back to the program. Now we go on and we find a URL action with a 1, which means it's for sound. Then a 44, which is which sound number it's referring to, is going to have its URL at this place in app page A. And we see a second URL down here, but with a 2, which means it's talking about a picture, and the picture number is going to be 61, and it's going to be assigned a URL at this position. Well, let's go to page text, page A. Here is where the first one referenced the URL, said it was a sound file, and yes it is, it's a wave. And the second one referenced this area, which has a URL for a GIF file, which can be a picture. Alright, so we have the 2 of them there. Here it says talk or play the sound number 44. Down here it has a show for P equal to 61. That's the picture number that was referred to here, 61. And here it shows where that picture is to be. Let's go look. Well, here's the picture. Now we can turn the sound back on and hear the sound. But I turned it off. Alright, that's about URLs. And this was video 222.